In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Figma slides using your image. Let's dive right in and explore how to personalize your presentations with custom visuals. When you're designing in Figma slides, customizing the aesthetic is crucial for creating an engaging and memorable presentation. A very effective way to achieve this is by setting a custom image as the background for your slides. We'll walk through this process together, ensuring you understand each step clearly and can confidently apply your own unique images. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the right-hand panel within your Figma interface. This panel is your control center for all design properties and settings related to your selected elements. Here you need to locate the section labeled Background. You might currently see a solid color, a gradient, or even a pattern already set as the default background. To switch this to an image, simply click on the existing background setting. This action will typically reveal a drop-down menu or a set of options that allow you to choose various fill types. From these available options, make sure to select Image. By choosing Image, you're instructing Figma that you intend to use a picture rather than a flat color or a gradient for your slide's background. Once Image is selected, a new placeholder or a set of prompts will appear, indicating that you now need to specify which particular image you'd like to use. After you have successfully designated Image as your background type in the right panel, the next logical step is to actually bring your chosen picture into Figma. You will then notice a clear prompt or a button, typically labeled Choose Media or something similar, which is your cue to upload your own custom picture. Click on this Choose Media button, and a standard file browser window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to navigate through your computer's folders and locate the specific image file you wish to use for your background. Take a moment to find the perfect image on your device, whether it's a photograph, a unique texture, a branded pattern, or any graphic that perfectly complements your presentation's theme and message. Once you've successfully located your desired image file, select it and then click Open or Upload within the file browser window. Figma will then proceed to process and upload your chosen image. Almost immediately after the upload is complete, you will see your selected image beautifully applied as the background to your current Figma slide.